single day.
You get the whole thing.
Say hi, Andy. I'm recording you.
All right, you get the whole thing, right?
I got you.
Ocean City cops are not people.
Yes, they are. You know what's really criminal?
What's that?
Those knee-high socks.
I know, but that's what the brown shirts wore.
Jail wrongful death suit clears final hurdle. Judge rules defense can mention misstatements by inmate before suicide. By Frank DeFury. Staff writer. PUNTA GORDA. A lawsuit against the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office and its medical contractor at the jail is on schedule to start jury selection on March 29. Susan Sakalos first brought the lawsuit against Sheriff Bill Prummell and Corizon Correctional Health Care in 2018, regarding the 2016 suicide of her husband, David. David Franklin Sakalos, 54, of Englewood, was in custody at Charlotte County Jail at the time of his death. According to authorities, he jumped headfirst from a second-story catwalk. He was taken to the hospital and died a week later. Susan Sakalos alleges in her lawsuit that the sheriff and other entities involved in David's custody were in the position to evaluate his mental state and should have taken better measures to prevent him from harming himself. Earlier this month, Sakalos' attorney Oscar Seeger filed a motion to strike affirmative defenses based on a non-partis alleged comparative negligence, namely, testimony that David claimed to not have thoughts of suicide when speaking to Corizon staff. In the hearing on Wednesday, Circuit Judge Jeffrey Gentile ruled that such a defense is allowed under Florida law. However, the defense could not argue that the way that David Sakalos jumped led to his death. Gentile and the attorneys for each side also attempted to work out a schedule for the appearance of witnesses over the course of the trial. Both sides agreed that a number of deputies being called as witnesses for both sides would be questioned by each side back-to-back, in order to allow them to return to their duties. Sakalos' attorney is expected to present her case over the first 3 days of the trial, starting March 30. Attorneys for both the Sheriff's Office and Corizon are anticipated to make their own separate defense over the following week. A last-minute hearing has also been scheduled for March 24 and March 25, to review each legal team's exhibits for any material that should be excluded. Sakalos. Copyright, C. 2022 Suncoast Media Group, edition March 17, 2022. Powered by TNavia.